page 535, problem 39, tangent 75 degrees. So it's obvious that we need to split this 75 degrees as the sum of the 45 degrees and 30 degrees, right? So, and then we can use the tangent of a sum identity to evaluate. So this is equal to tangent of the 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. Then using the tangent of a sum identity, you have the tangent alpha. This alpha is equal to 45 degrees. And then plus tangent beta. Beta is equal to 30 degrees. And over 1 minus tangent 45 degrees times tangent 30 degrees. So now, let's do this evaluation. Tangent 45 degrees is equal to 1. Right? And 30 degrees, tangent 30 degrees is equal to root of 3 over 3. So now you have the 1 minus 1 times root of 3 over 3. So we can multiply both the numerator and denominator by 3. Then we got 3, 3 times 1 you got 3. And 3 times this root of 3 over 3, this 3 and the 3 cancel, so you have the root of 3. So similarly, in the denominator, you have the 3 times 1, 3, minus root of 3 over 3 times 3, you have the root of 3. So now, I need to rationalize this denominator. So I need to multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of this denominator. The conjugate of the denominator is equal to 3 plus root of 3, right? So I multiply both the numerator and this denominator by the conjugate of this denominator. Now, the denominator, this is the square of 2 terms, so we can use the square of the binomial formula. Then we got 3 square and plus 2 times 3 times root of 3 and plus square of root of 3. Now the denominator, this is the product of a sum and difference of 2 terms. So a minus b times a plus b equal to a squared minus b squared. Right. A minus b times a plus b equal to a squared minus b squared. So now you have the 3 squared minus the square of root of 3. Then you simplify. You can get 9 plus 3, right, and plus 6 times root of 3. And here this is the 9 minus 3. So you have the 6. And then 9 plus 3, 12. 12 divided by 6, you have the 2. Right? And 6 times the root of 3 divided by 6, you have the root of 3. So now you find the value of this tangent 75 degrees. Done. Now let's look at the 45. Tangent of the negative 13 pi over 12. So it's page 535 problem 45. We need to evaluate tangent of negative 13 pi over 12. Now, tell me, how should I split this 30 pi over 12? Think. How? 7 and 6 doesn't work, right? 7 over 12, 7 pi over 12. We don't know the tangent for it. So actually, since 13 pi over 12 is bigger than pi, we may first write this as a multiple of pi m plus another angle. So this guy is equal to negative pi minus pi over 12. And we know the tangent has the period pi, right? We can throw away any multiple of pi without changing the value. So have the tangent of negative pi over 12. Now, this one, since tangent function is odd function, right? So we can take this negative sign out. So negative tangent of the pi over 12. Now, we can rewrite pi over 12 as the 4 pi over 12 minus the 3 pi over 12. So this guy is equal to negative tangent of the 4 pi minus 3 pi over 12. And then you got tangent 4 pi over 12. You have the pi over 3. 3 pi over 12. You have the pi over 4. Now, for pi over 3 and pi over 4, we know the exact value of the tangent, right? So then we can use the tangent of a difference identity to find this value. So this is equal to negative tangent of the pi over 3 minus tangent of the pi over 4 and divided by 1 plus tangent of pi over 3 times tangent of the pi over 4. And here we use such identity, that is the tangent of the alpha minus beta equal to tangent alpha minus tangent beta over 1 plus the tangent alpha times tangent beta. Okay. Now let's simplify. So this is equal to negative tangent pi over 3 is equal to root of 3. Tangent pi over 4 is equal to 1. Right. So you have the 1 plus root of 3 and then times this 1. So now let's multiply this numerator by this negative 1. Then we got 1 minus root of 3 over 1 plus root of 3. Then To rationalize this fraction, we multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of this denominator. So that is the 1 minus root of 3. Okay.